Most of us are still opening a browser, typing a question into a text box, and waiting for an answer. But as the landscape shifts toward interconnected, autonomous systems, treating AI like a simple vending machine for text is becoming a liability. Orchestration creates persistent, background AI teams that manage projects, research, and write code while you sleep. It moves the work from manual, one-off interactions into a continuous operational loop. The Claude 4.6 ecosystem is built to function as a complete operating system. It provides the infrastructure to replace the fragmented, disconnected software tools that currently clutter your desktop. If you continue to use these models only for prompting, you are ignoring significant operational leverage. You'll find yourself overpaying for compute power, while your peers automate the exact tasks you are still performing by hand. Navigating this ecosystem requires an understanding of three distinct AI models: native desktop environments, and the protocols that allow agents to talk directly to one another. To unlock this, you have to trade instant answers for architectural setup. You are investing your time in building a durable workflow rather than a single response. Choosing the wrong model for a specific task leads to broken outputs or inflated API costs. You could end up paying for high-tier reasoning when a faster, cheaper model could have handled the job in a fraction of the time. Before adopting these features, you must identify your specific professional requirements. The technical benefits only materialize once you know which scenario you are trying to solve. This comparison matrix shows the current model family: Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.6, and Haiku 4.5. Selecting between them is a practical calculation of token economics and processing capability. Sonnet 4.6 is the mid-tier option, but it currently leads the market in business output benchmarks. It produces professional-grade writing and financial modeling at about 20% of the cost of the flagship model. Opus 4.6 is the choice for complex reasoning. It supports 128,000 output tokens in a single turn, allowing it to generate entire technical documents or code bases without stopping, though you pay $25 per million output tokens for that depth. Haiku 4.5 handles high-volume microtasks. At $1 per million input tokens, it is built to run content moderation, syntax checks, and file sorting across hundreds of files simultaneously. High-level developers use a router strategy. They deploy all three models at once. Opus plans the architecture, Sonnet builds the modules, and Haiku runs quality assurance across the entire project in real time. The platform's utility is built on the way these three models coordinate. Orchestration allows you to apply the exact amount of intelligence required for each specific step of a project. In older versions of Claude, users had to manually toggle extended reasoning. Forgetting to turn it on led to shallow answers, while leaving it on for simple questions wasted your token budget on unnecessary internal debate. Opus 4.6 now uses adaptive thinking to allocate a reasoning budget in real time. The model evaluates the complexity of your prompt and decides how much internal compute is necessary before responding. It runs an internal loop where it debates different approaches and identifies logic flaws. You can watch the thinking block to see the model rejecting bad paths and cross-checking its own assumptions before it delivers the final answer. This transparency makes the AI a predictable collaborator. Because the reasoning process is visible, you can identify if the model is heading in the wrong direction and course correct in real time. Standard multi-agent systems use a hierarchical structure. All communication must pass through a single lead agent, which creates a bottleneck that slows down the entire team. The mailbox protocol removes that bottleneck by allowing sub-agents to communicate peer-to-peer. If a front-end agent discovers a broken endpoint, it messages the back-end agent directly to resolve the issue without waiting for the lead to intervene. Each teammate in this setup has its own 1 million token context window. This allows the team to hold entire repositories in active memory simultaneously to coordinate deep software engineering tasks. The trade-off for this coordination is technical complexity and cost. Managing these teams requires using the command line interface, and the constant inter-agent dialogue results in substantial token usage. Anthropic used this architecture to compile the Linux kernel, proving it can handle professional-grade pipelines. However, for standard business tasks, this setup is an unnecessary expense compared to simpler automation. Connectors allow the AI to interact directly with your external workspaces. This diagram shows how data from Gmail, Google Drive, and HubSpot flows into the central hub. removing the need for manual copy-pasting. You then apply skills, which are persistent instructional playbooks. These teach the model how to handle specific tasks, like an SEO audit or call preparation, the moment it detects the relevant context. This enables zero-prompt automation. Point the system at a folder of messy receipt photos, and it will automatically apply your accounting skills to return a verified, structured spreadsheet in under a minute. To use these features, you must grant the Anthropic ecosystem deep access to your professional platforms, which requires a significant surrender of data privacy. Enterprise clients pulled $285 billion in market value from software providers in February alone as they migrated toward these agentic workflows. This suggests that single-purpose subscriptions are being replaced by these centralized, multi-skill interfaces. Migrating your entire workflow to Claude 4.6 is a mistake if your primary work involves native audio understanding or analyzing 2-hour video recordings. In those specific multimodal tasks, Gemini 3.1 Pro still holds the lead. Similarly, for users who need pure terminal execution and DevOps automation, GPT 5.4 remains the more capable choice for direct command line interaction. However, Claude leads in real-world reliability. It produces cleaner codebase imports and fewer hallucinated functions than its competitors, making it the most stable choice for business analysis and professional writing. While competitors excel in niche ingestion, Claude has established a lead in stable, autonomous system coordination. For non-technical operators, your action plan is on screen. Install the desktop application, establish your custom-style playbooks, and link your primary operational tools today. If you are a technical developer, your path is different. Implement a router strategy and test peer-to-peer agent coordination for your next pull request review. If you wait to set up these systems, you will be struggling to catch up. Early adopters are already using this infrastructure to gain a competitive advantage that will be difficult to bridge 6 months from now. Choose your adoption path today. Transition your daily work from manual prompting into a system of full-scale AI orchestration. Chatbots are becoming components within larger automated systems. Mastering the orchestration of those systems is now the baseline for professional efficiency.